By artist Joseph Stella. Do you know what this is? If you said a bridge, you are correct. It is called the Brooklyn Bridge. It's located in New York City. Bridges look different when seen from different points of view. This means the bridge looks different if you're flying over it, or if you're driving on it, or if you're in a boat going under it. You'll be looking at many different bridge designs. I want you to be looking for the different types of lines used to make them. Are they straight lines, curved lines, vertical, or horizontal? I want you to also notice the arches and the different shapes used to create bridges. Do you see similarities? How are they the same? Here's a picture of the bridge that Joseph Stella painted and a photo of the actual bridge. Now we're going to take a look at some famous bridges. This is the Banpo Bridge located in South Korea. It's a fountain bridge. This bridge has 10,000 nozzle fountains along the bridge on both sides. It pumps over 190 tons of water per minute from the river below, the weight of a blue whale. And it adds color to the water using lights. This bridge in southern France is the world's tallest vehicle bridge. It's approximately 1,125 feet above the valley. It's 8,000 feet long. Do you see how the bridge design looks like sails floating on the clouds? This is a pedestrian or a human walkway bridge in Singapore. It's the highest pedestrian bridge in Singapore and connects two parks together. This is the world's longest transoceanic bridge located in China. It's over 22 miles in length. This is the Tower Bridge in London. It raises in the center to allow ships to pass under it. This is Europe's largest water bridge located in Germany. Notice there are boats and people above and water and boats underneath. I think that's pretty cool. This is the Ponte Vecchio in Italy. It's the oldest and most famous of its kind. It's an arch bridge and a famous tourist spot. You can see the people walking and possibly areas where there might be shops for people to shop. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. I bet some of you have been there. Here's a bridge, a walking bridge for people in Beijing, China. Can you guess what this bridge is used for? If you guessed trains, you're correct. Here's another train bridge in Mexico. Look how high up it is. That looks a little scary. These are bridges in Minneapolis, right here in our hometown. Washington Avenue Bridge. It's a bridge that has cars on the bottom and a walkway on top. Here's the Stone Arch Bridge in Minneapolis. Some of you might have been to the Stone Arch Festival. That's an art fair in the spring. This is the Lowry Avenue Bridge. I bet you've crossed this one before. This University of Minnesota pedestrian or people bridge is in Minneapolis. Here's the Hennepin Bridge in Minneapolis. Notice those arches and the cables. The cables are those strings that you see that look like they're going across the bridge and then down. Here's the Short Line Bridge in Minneapolis. If you're thinking that looks like a train bridge, you would be correct. Now you are going to be designing your own bridge.